Hey, it's Rich, the Louisiana hobby guy. I told you in the last video you're not going to want to miss this video. And today we have some really great stuff. February 1st coming. Got a big surprise for you. People have been asking for it. So let's get started. Well, I've been asked over and over and over again by so many people about earrings. And February 1st, Valentine's Day coming, time to make some earrings. I spent the whole day today making 400 sets of earrings for a local retired lady. She goes to the flea market and sells these. So what I do is I cut them all out. Some of them are acrylic, some of them are wood. The wood ones, she hand paints and puts sparkly stuff on and all kinds of nice stuff. I'm not artistic like that. So she is. I make these for her, I guess, seasonally. I made them for Christmas for her. I made them for Halloween. I'll make them again for Easter, 4th of July. She sells these things around the holidays and makes a good bit of money doing it. And I give her a wholesale price. So I just run them off, on my machine. I've got about 12 different occasional earring sets. And today, I'm going to be sharing one of them with you. So let's get started on the earrings and take a look and see what I got. All right, so these are them right here. These are my Valentine Day earrings. And I've got these in sets. This is the whole set. Everything you see in the art library. And what I'm going to be sharing with you today is the art library. So after I finish this video, I'm going to go ahead and upload this art library to my forum, where we've got all kinds of art libraries there. If you've never been there before, you should check it out. There's a members only section, and membership is free, where you can download all different types of libraries. I think we have 2 pages of them now up there. But you can find everything on the forum. Once you've logged in or registered, you'll see a whole new section open up that says members only downloads, and nothing there costs any money at all. So everything that I've got there is free. So come check it out if you haven't already. So let's talk about this particular library that I'm sharing with you today. Let me get these off the screen so that I can demonstrate this better. And today's just going to be a pure tutorial. So over here on the Art Library tab, I've got some libraries loaded, and I've got this one that I'll be sharing with you. And you'll see that there are only 18 files in here, but everything that you just saw on the screen is in here. So this last one where it says all is what I just had on the screen. And you'll see that these are grouped, and they're sort of grouped by style. So if I bring out number 1, you'll see that these are all a teardrop shape. So they're all different types of shapes in here. This is the teardrop. And let me show you how I made these. I know a lot of you are interested in how to make these things. And it's really simple. All I did was manipulate 2 circles. I welded them up here at the top. You can see that circle there. Then I had another circle that I welded. I brought it into node editing. And I have a video on node editing if you want to watch that. And I just moved the nodes around and smoothed them out. Very simple. So this one is the backing. This is 1 heart, 2 hearts, 3 hearts. They're all virtually the same. All I did was, let's take this one for example. First I created the backing, and then if I ungroup this, I created the cutout for the circle. Oh, and let's talk about that for a minute. So whenever you manipulate these files, if you want to make the earrings larger or smaller, you have to check out this circle right here. I set it at 0.11, and that's the size of the circle, 0.11. Most of the little hoops that you're going to put through there, the little circular pieces, I don't know what they're called, they're like 0.45, 0.5 thick, something like that. And they're usually doubled, 2 circles. So that's why I have it at 0.11. You can set it at anywhere from 0.11 or 0.15 all the way up to a millimeter if you want it to be loose. And some earrings you want to be really loose on that little ring. That's what it is, a key ring. So, or it's actually an earring ring. Anyway, if you want them to be really loose, set them at a millimeter, you know. But take note of the size of this hole. So if you were to scale this way down, then you wouldn't be able to fit the ring through it in order to attach it. So keep that in mind. And all of these can be done in either wood or acrylic. It's completely up to you. So all I did was I made this original shape, then I duplicated it, then I made a half of a heart. And again, I did that with the pencil and with Note Edit, and I just kind of drew it out, smoothed it all around till I got half of a heart shape. And then I selected it and I duplicated it, mirrored it, and I have a perfect heart and joined them together. So if you want to manipulate these, the way I made the next two was I selected the heart, I pressed Control and D on my keyboard, and I just moved it up. And then I pressed that, so that's the 2-heart one. Grouped it, now it's 2 hearts. Press Control and D again, move it up, now it's 3 hearts. You could even take one of these, let's duplicate it one more time, Control plus D. And you can even manipulate these by making them smaller. You can turn them like that. And again, using the Control plus the D key. And then my arrows, because I want to keep this on the same plane, I'm going to move it across to the other side. Come up here to the top, and I'm just going to mirror it. And now I'll continue to move it until I have it in the right spot. And now you can see, you can design these things on your own. I mean, all this stuff is really easy to do, but it's nice to have all these pre-made files. So there you go. That's just a quick couple of tips on this. And let me show you my biggest sellers. So let me just pop this out for a second. Bring it way up here and make it a little larger so we can see the whole thing. And let's bring the icon size up right here and make it just a bit larger. And there we go. That's everything right there. So these are my biggest sellers. This one here, number 3, these bar earrings. These sell really, really well. Come on. Actually, let me put this back because it's in the way. So we've got these bar earrings, and you can put any design you want in here. And people, I don't know why, but people buy these up like crazy. Like I said, I don't sell these, but the person that I make them for does. This is the #1 seller right here, the Love Bars. Especially this one here that's all cut out, that sells the most. But both of these are huge sellers. And I don't know why the bar earrings are so popular. I really don't see women wearing them. But here's another one. Here's another design. I don't particularly like this one, but she orders a lot of them, so I guess people do. So there's all types of earrings in here. These two, the peace sign and the cross, are also really big sellers. I've added a couple of extra ones besides Valentine in here. Oh, I forgot this one. This one is also a big seller here. And this one is actually very cool. If you do this in acrylic, you could, for Valentine's Day, you could do like a red acrylic, and that would be really, really cool. Or you could do it in wood, paint it red. You know, everything that I'm showing you here can be done in either wood or acrylic. And the good news is all of this is free. So all of these graphics, my Valentine earring art library is free on my bulletin board. Now, for you viewers that have never been to my website, or you new viewers, I just want to show you real quick. This is it right here. It's lahobbyguide.com. You can just follow the link to the forums, and you won't see this members only file downloads, what you see here, until you either log in up here in the top right. You'll either have to log in or create an account, and the account is free here. So once you log in, you'll see this members only files and downloads. If you click on that, you'll see that there are all types of downloads here. So what you want to look for when you come in here are Lightburn art libraries right here. And I've also got Lightburn cut libraries, cut and engrave libraries. So I've got them for diode lasers and CO2. This is the diode, this is the CO2 down here. But if we click on the art library, after you read all of this, and please read this part right here, installing libraries, because I probably get 15 emails a day that I have a copy and paste reply to. You know, please read the instructions. Everybody downloads, they come to the forum, they just want to grab something quick, they download it, and then they try and open it. And you can't open a Lightburn library. You have to load it. So please, you know, read the instructions up here before you grab the libraries. But in here you'll see there are all types of art libraries. And I started putting previews if we scroll down on some of them. Let's go to page 2. There's 3 pages of these. See, these are letters, other letters. So I started putting previews of what's in here. And all of these libraries are free for my viewers. So now I'm going to be putting the Valentine earrings in here as well. But I'm going to be selling those at my store. And let's jump over to the store real quick. So this is the store. And in here, there are all types of Lightburn files that you can get. So if you look through, and there's lots of free stuff here too. You know, some of the things are paid, some of them are physical products, but most of them are either Lightburn files or graphics. So, but like if we scroll down here, you'll see honeycomb bed hold down pins. Everybody loves those. Christmas earrings I have up here for free. There are bed templates that you can get for free, $0. And I've got cut libraries. You know, I've got things here as well. So you can come here and look at this as well. Oh, by the way, so also I have, don't forget about the free laser engraver. Every month for the next few months, I'm going to be giving away an engraver. This one has got over 15,000 entries this month for the Diwali portable engraver. And there's only, I don't know, 18 hours left. No, 12 hours at the time of this recording. So by the end of today, which is the 31st, tonight at midnight, this is gone. You know, and the next laser is going to be up, which is going to be the Atom Stack M40 for the month of February. So that's going to be a nice laser. And then after that, we've got the longer Ray 5, which is going to be March's giveaway raffle. So you definitely want to check this out as well. So there you have it. That wraps it up. Let's just recap real quick. Just come over to the forum. The link will be down below in the description. Everything I talk about in these videos, I'm going to be putting the link down in the description. So if I mention a product or if I mention a website, those links will be down below in the show more section of the video. So I'm going to upload these to my forum, and I'm going to also be selling them in the store starting today. And of course, the people that aren't my YouTube subscribers or watchers, they're going to have to pay for it. But you guys, you get it for free. So are you ready to make some stuff for Valentine's Day? I know I've gotten a lot of stuff made that I just haven't told you about. Oh, I should show you yesterday's project. I forgot all about this. This is yesterday's project. And this came from the inspiration for this. It's totally unique. You won't find this anywhere on the internet. The inspiration from this came from a sermon. And in the sermon, it was talking about, trusting in God and doing good deeds, and things like that. And how everything, is all tied together. So in here, in the center, I've got the earth, or a map of the earth that I reduced down really small. I've got the tree of life that I brought in. This is 3 layers of Baltic birch. It's 9 millimeters thick. And the bottom layer is the backing, which I've already got in the wood shop on the stain table. And I stained that in a pecan stain. The actual tree of life layer I stained in a coffee stain to make it darker. And then the top ring where the numbers are, I did in a lighter pecan. So I think the 3 colors are going to look really nice together. And this is a special gift. It's a one of a kind. And I posted it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, come follow me on there. I'll follow back. Louisiana Hobby Guy is just Louisiana Hobby Guy is my user account there. I post behind the scenes pictures and videos and stuff like that in between doing these videos. And you'll want to, keep up to that if you're following my channel. This is a special gift. It's a housewarming gift. I wanted to do a one-off, one of a kind. And I've gotten a lot of feedback over there. I've gotten a bunch of private messages. Can I buy the file from you? And I'm sort of debating now whether or not I should put it up for sale. It is a beautiful file. It did come out really nice. It took me about 3 hours actually to design this because I kept making changes to it. And I actually cut 2 or 3 others before I decided, hey, this is the final design. And it's 12 inches tall, so it's a good size. A really nice piece. And I've got the clock mechanism and everything. So I'm sort of on the fence. I don't know whether or not I'm going to sell this one or not, but I thought I would share with my viewers what I did yesterday. And this is it here. So what do you think? Are you making Valentine's Day gifts? Are you going to be selling this? I know there's a lot of jewelry makers out there that are loving the different earrings that I put up, and they're designing their own, and everyone's been asking for Valentine's Day earrings. So there you go. These are yours for free if you want them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I want to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day. Let's get out there and make something. So as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.